Hello guys, I'm back, I'm your German, and I will introduce you anything special in the cigar world. Das ist the True Estate Liga Privada Aniversario 10. Liga Privada Aniversario 10 is one of the parts of cigars of Liga Privada. They use Connecticut Criollo wrapper. The binder is very interesting. The binder is the San Andres Otapan Negro Ultimo Corte Tobacco. San Andres Otapan Negro Ultimo Corte Tobacco. Very, very special tobacco. And filler is made from Pennsylvania and Nicaraguan tobaccos. It's a really good aged cigar. And I think this blend is good. This blend between Connecticut, San Andres, and other tobaccos. Looking this, Liga Privada Aniversario 10. What that I can see in the first time, the cigar by burning is not so well. Need a correction. Draw is good, not perfect. The wrapper is really very dark, really beautiful wrapper. Really good, fine veins. The burning after correction is the same, it's not look better. I think soon I will make correction another time. Ring is traditional from Liga Privada. The notes they're going some cedar and coffee. Coffee is the mostly flavor. Smell good. Sweetness in cedar. Coffee, sweetness in cedar taste. With the developing the burning, I think I make the another correction. The cigar is good aged by me in my humidor. More than 6-8 months. In condition is perfect. Humidity is really full with oil, the leaf. The cigar by cold smell really good. What can I say? Malt taste, black cherry. But coffee espresso taste, maybe I can pairing with my double espresso. Yes, I think it's very good pairing opportunity. But burning is a little bit disappointing because it's always with correction. The ash is white. Little small carbon trace. That's mean really good premium tobaccos are used to make this cigar. Taste is excellent. How I saw. Coffee, cedar, sweetness, no pepper. Smell little sweetness and floral. Good cigar, good made cigar. Consistency is very, very good. Draw is okay. Can be better, but it's okay. Correction by burning. Have to make. But what can I say? It's medium to full body cigar. You can pairing with coffee, with whiskey, rum, cognac, everything. I smoke these cigars with Sekt, champagne. This is okay to pairing with Sekt and champagne, with sparkling wines. In general, friends, if you want to looking a lot of reviews from small guy who buy the cigars by himself, I'm not supported from anybody. Maybe you can support me, like subscribe my channel and press the like button. Okay, friends, that was Liga Privada Aniversario 10. It's good cigar like products from Liga Privada. Just one small problem is the burning is not so good. I'm using a puncher and everything else is optimal. Cigar is good made. This blend from tobaccos are excellent. Really this one cigar to enjoy. Okay, friends, that was from me. Support me and subscribe my channel.